Hello and welcome to the promotion module of Spacey Academy. Today, we will explore essential strategies and tools that are crucial for effectively promoting your music in today's digital landscape. This module is designed for artists seeking to enhance their visibility and engage with a wider audience, including outreach to magazines, blogs, labels, radio shows, playlist curators, and industry folks. Utilizing these platforms can be super easy with the right approach and resources. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you have the knowledge and the tools needed for successful music promotion, including referral Spacey codes for discounts. After the hard work of polishing and distributing the music, we wanted to get to more ears and to the right ones. Music promotion is vital for discovery. There are incredibly talented artists whose work remains undiscovered due to a lack of promotion. On the other hand, even average artists can go viral with the right strategy. This is a critical lesson, which telling us that without an active steps, we may not receive the attention we deserve. Let's talk about inner circle and outer circle. While promoting by yourself is necessary, to tell our inner circle of friends, family, and followers that a new song is out or there is a launch event coming soon, it's great. We can find ourselves stuck within this circle, which can lead to see the same familiar faces of friends and family that coming to our shows, listening to our music, and following us on our channels. If we want to reach to a wider audience out of the inner circles, we have to act in a different way. Promotion is important. I know that promoting yourselves sometimes can feel uncomfortable, but we must be clear and adopt a new mindset and act to be able to grow. Now, with the right mindset, we will go for the next part that we will dive into those platforms with some examples on what's inside and some tips and tricks to use it properly to get the most out of it, with some special Spacey Academy referral codes for you to use. We will explore several essential platforms including Submithub, Groover, Musosoup, Mysphera, and more. These promotion platforms is where you can submit your music directly to music bloggers, magazines, record labels, radio shows, playlist curators, and industry folks. Each of these platforms has its own unique features and benefits. It's about finding the right mix that aligns with your music and target audience. Utilizing these platforms effectively can significantly boost your music's visibility and your career as an artist. Keep it out for the next part, get your music heard, and keep it spacey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the Spacey Academy channel. Your support is helping grow and reach more aspiring artists like you. If you know someone who can benefit from this content, please share it with them. It's a great way to help others and allows Spacey Academy to spread the word to more people who can find value in this work. Again, thank you for being here. Keep on growing, keep creating, and keep it spacey.